In the chaotic times that we live in today, working on your spiritual connection can sometimes be really difficult. I know this firsthand. For years and years and years, I actually really struggled with truly developing what I would call a spiritual connection, a connection to God or Source or the universe, to a power greater than myself, really because I felt that I was too busy to do that. Everything else in my day took priority. From working to starting a business to studying to spending time with my loved ones, everything else took priority, which left me little to no time to actually develop a spiritual connection. And then I remember I felt like there was a part of my life that was missing, and I wanted to go deeper into spirituality. I knew that there were things waiting for me to unlock them. Yet I felt overwhelmed and I felt stressed out. I thought to myself, I can't meditate for 3 hours a day. Where am I going to find the time to do that? I want to share with you that starting or developing a spiritual connection is easy, and it definitely doesn't take 3 hours a day. All you need is 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes each and every single day. When you wake up or right before you go to sleep, simply stop, close your eyes. Feel your breath. Be with yourself. You can use whatever modalities you like. You can pray, you can meditate, you can journal, whatever it is that you do to connect to spirit, to source, to God, do that. But it starts with this first step of actually creating the space. So let me know, are you committed? 5 to 10 minutes a day. Are you ready to give that gift of connection to yourself? Comment below with I'm committed if you're ready to integrate this into your life. I love you so much. Thank you for watching.